असं म्हणतात, विज्ञान मानवाला अंतराळात नेतं आणि साहित्य मानवाला अंतर्मनात नेतं. व्हॉट इज लिटरेचर? Who to call literature? Whatever we read or write, that is literature, or anything which can be printed is literature. Obviously, so many doubts, so many confusion, so many questions arise in your mind. Don't worry. Watch this complete video. You will find the answer to all your questions today. Hi, myself Sunil Vishwas Kodi. Welcome to today's session on literature. I think written material is called literature. All definitions so far is not enough to define the literature completely. Let us understand the word before definition. The word literature derived from Latin word literatura, which means writing form with letters. Can we say that magazines or some technical books or some newspaper are also literature? These all exist in the written form, but they lack artist smell. It is difficult to precise define definition, though many have tried. But it is clear that accepted definition of literature constantly changing and evolving. So the correct definition should be literature is a record of human deeds and human race. Another definition, literature teaches us as humanity and makes us human. Means literature makes its readers humble and sensible. Another definition, literature is a thought. Let me explain. Inner feelings of person in written form is also known as literature. In literature, when authors writes about something, he uses his imagination, he uses his observation, he uses his personal experience, he expresses his thoughts on what he is writing about. That's why we can say that reflection of society is called literature, mirror of society is called literature. There are so many such definitions. Now at least you know that what literature is. Now let's look at the form of literature. There are three main types of literature. The first type is poem, the second is prose, and third is drama. There are other types of poetry such as sonnet, metaphysical poetry, etc. There are two types of prose. The first type is fictional and second type is non-fictional. Fictional comes with short story, novel, and non-fictional comes with essay and autobiographical novel. There are many types of tragedy, comedy in drama. I hope you would understand what literature is and what types of literature it is. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.